In this video, we are going to learn how to say next month in Fuzhounese and how to use it. Next month in Fuzhounese is 啊我 or 啊咯我 啊 means next. 我 means month. 啊我 again next. lo in this context means one. 我 means month. 啊咯我 next 1 month. 啊咯我 next month in Fuzhounese 啊我 or 啊咯我 If someone asks you 你念熬考定我 you 念熬 when call to go 定我 China you when go China when do you go to China We answer that by replacing the question word when 念熬 with our answer and of course also change the pronoun from you to I So to answer this question we say 我啊我考定我我啊我考定我 or 我啊了我考定我我 I 啊我 next month or 啊了我考 go 定我 China I next month go China I go to China next month Now I want you to try with the following two words 美国 United States 北京 Bay other 州 state as in other states in the US It's very common for Fuzhounese to work in different states. When there's a holiday or when we want to hang out with friends, we normally go to New York City. So, how do we ask? When do you go to the other state? Or, how do you say, when do you go to the United States? And then also try to answer the question. Say, I go to the US next month, or I go to the other state next month. The next time I see you, it's probably going to be 阿龙我